Hi everyone, my name is Ari Trigger and thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on creating schedules for receiving push notifications on our Cam2 application. In order to set up this configuration, we'll need to access the settings menu within our NVR. So let's move over to our NVR to begin. Now that we are in the NVR interface, let's go and locate the settings on the top of the page. Once we've accessed the settings, we can go and locate events and analytics, and under events notification, we'll find the push message settings. Within these settings, you can enable or disable push notification systems from the NVR, and you can set a schedule to choose when to receive or not to receive push notifications on the Cam2 app via the NVR. Now that we're in the push message settings, to enable this function, let's go ahead and click Enable. Once we've done that, you can select a schedule from when this function will operate. On all our NVR machines, we provide you default schedules for 7 days a week, Monday to Friday, or weekdays only. You also have the ability to customize and create your own schedule to suit your needs. Let's go ahead and create a custom schedule by clicking on Schedule Management. On the right-hand side, you'll see the 3 default calendars and any other custom schedules we've created. And to create a new custom schedule, simply click on the plus button, and this will open up a blank template from where you can start creating your own custom times. There are a few ways to do this. Click and hold the left mouse button and drag on your cursor over the times that you want to select. When highlighted in red, this indicates the schedule will be active. You can also copy the same schedule to other days of the week. And if you need certain days to be active all the time, you can go to those specific days and select all. We have created a custom schedule to only send push notifications between 6 p.m. and 6 a.m., as well as all day on weekends. Now we can give the schedule a logical name. So for this example, we're just going to call it non-working hours. Once we're done, we click Add, and the schedule is created and available for us to use. Now, when you select Push Schedule, the new non-working hours schedule will appear and can be selected as the schedule for the NVR to send push notifications to the Cam2 app. Once set up, the NVR will only push notifications to the Cam2 app between 6 p.m. and 6 a.m. Monday to Friday, and all day on Saturday and Sunday. Simple and straightforward, and I look forward to seeing you all next time.